Making money on YouTube without having to make videos is actually simple. Now, this side hustle can and has turned into a six-figure income stream for many side hustlers, and I'm hoping it will be able to do the same for you. Before we get started, do me a quick favor and smash the like button. Now let's get straight into it. Now, have you ever heard of a YouTube cash cow channel? YouTube cash cow channels are channels that have gained a lot of popularity over the past few years. In simple terms, a YouTube cash cow channel is a channel that has no personal branding because the videos are not of a person recording themselves. These channels mainly consist of a voiceover, pictures, videos, and background music centered around a topic and/or niche. Our channel would be considered a cash cow channel because the videos are in doodle animation format, centered around side hustles and not just me sitting somewhere looking into a camera recording myself talk about side hustles. Now, because these channels do not have a personal brand, it allows for these channels to be very profitable and can require little to no personal work because most of the work can be outsourced, which simply means you can hire someone to do the work for you. Normally, people and companies that run these types of channels hire assistants to make the videos, scripts, and voiceovers for them, or they hire professional and experienced freelancers. Now, here is how you can start one of these channels. First, just like with growing your Instagram page, the first step is picking a niche. Ideally, you want the niche to be something you're passionate about and/or have knowledge in. 4 of the most profitable niches for YouTube cash cow channels are life hacks, which are videos that share tips and hacks that you can implement in your life. Money, investing / personal finance, which can be videos about side hustles, investing, and finance. Luxury, which are videos that talk about rich people and their lifestyles. Top 10, which are videos about any top 10 list. Top 10 channels have a wide range of topics they can make videos about. When picking niches on YouTube, it is important to also keep in mind that not all niches get paid the same on YouTube, as in some channels have higher CPM and RPM. In simple terms, some niches get paid more for the same number of views. This doesn't mean just because you pick a niche with a high CPM and RPM, your channel will make more money than someone who does not, because you can get sponsorships and monetize your channel in many ways. Next is content creation. Now, there are 2 main ways to go about creating content for a cash cow YouTube channel. The first option is creating the content yourself. And with this method, and depending on your niche, you could create the content with the following: an iPhone, a website with stock images and videos like pexels.com, editing software like Final Cut Pro X, a doodle animation software like Doodly. Now, for those who don't mind spending money, you could pay an experienced freelancer on Fiverr to do what work you don't want to. And I'll be honest with you, most people I've worked with take this route because spending hours making videos and getting 5 views when you're first starting out can be frustrating. So, to keep things simple, you can write the script, hire someone to do the voiceover, hire someone to make the video for you with stock images and stock footage. And for those who really want a hands-off approach, you could fully automate your channel by having someone write the script, do the voiceovers, make the video for you, and even post that video for you on YouTube. Now, keep in mind, when you're paying for someone to make videos, write the scripts, and so on, you are cutting into your profits. Meaning when YouTube pays you, not all of it is profit because you had to pay for the video creations and so on. Now, here are some tips if you go the paying someone to do everything for you route. First, when you're on Fiverr, let's say you want to make doodle videos like our YouTube channel. You want to first find not only someone who has experience creating doodle videos, but ideally, you want to find someone who not just offers script writing, but is a great script writer. Because when it comes to a cash cow channel, a script is one of the most important parts. You can simply ask for samples from the freelancer and/or place a test order to see the quality of his or her work. Now, when it comes to having someone to write your script on Fiverr, there are a few things you need to address. First, you want to make sure that your scriptwriter is writing you scripts that are roughly 1,400 words. Having a script that is roughly 1,400 words will allow your voiceover artist to create an 8-minute recording. This way, your YouTube videos are 8 minutes long. You want 8-minute videos because this allows you to make more money, because you're allowed to place more ads within your videos. Also, to ensure that your voiceover recordings are as long as possible, kindly ask the artist to try to extend the recording for as long as possible while still keeping an organic flow. Next, you want to ensure that the freelancer who is writing your script and making your videos are ensuring that your videos and scripts won't get any copyright strikes. This is important because if your YouTube channel gets 3 copyright strikes, your channel will be taken down forever, meaning you will not get it back. You can also help ensure that you aren't getting any copyright strikes by not using copyrighted music and/or images. So keep it safe by utilizing pictures from pexels.com. With that said, let me know in the comment section if this is a side hustle you think would work for you. Also, stay tuned for the next video as we keep breaking down side hustles, Instagram growth strategies, and more. Make sure you watch some of the previous videos where we share so much free game and information. Do me a favor and smash that like button before you go. I'll see you in the next video.